MRP 53 rupees 0 P tablet is a pain-relieving medicine. It is used to reduce pain and inflammation in conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, and osteoarthritis. It may also be used to relieve muscle pain, back pain, toothache, or pain in the ear and throat. 0 P tablet should be taken with or without food. You should take it regularly as advised by your doctor. Your doctor may change the dose and time between doses according to your pain level and your needs. Do not take more or use it for a longer duration than recommended by your doctor. Some of the common side effects of this medicine include nausea, vomiting, stomach pain, loss of appetite, heartburn, and diarrhea. If any of these side effects bother you or do not go away with time, you should let your doctor know. Your doctor may help you with ways to reduce or prevent these side effects by prescribing an alternative medicine or adjusting the dose. The medicine may not be suitable for everybody. Before taking it, let your doctor know if you have any problems with your heart, kidneys, liver, or have stomach ulcers. To make sure it is safe for you, let your doctor know about all the other medicines you are taking. Pregnant and breastfeeding mothers should first consult their doctors before using this medicine. Uses of ZERODOLP tablet. Pain relief benefits of ZERODOLP tablet in pain relief. 0 P tablet is a combination of two medicines that belong to a group of medicines called non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs (NSAIDs). It is used for short-term relief of pain, inflammation, and swelling in conditions that affect joints and muscles. It works by blocking chemical messenger in the brain that tell us we have pain. It can help relieve pain in conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. Take it as it is prescribed to get the most benefit. Do not take more or for longer than needed, as that can be dangerous. In general, you should take the lowest dose that works, for the shortest possible time. This will help you to go about your daily activities more easily and have a better, more active quality of life. Side effects of ZERODOLP tablet. Most side effects do not require any medical attention and disappear as your body adjusts to the medicine. Consult your doctor if they persist or if you're worried about them. Common side effects of 0 P: nausea, vomiting, stomach pain, epigastric pain, loss of appetite, heartburn, diarrhea. Quick tips: you have been prescribed this combination medicine for relieving pain and inflammation. Take it with food to avoid getting an upset stomach. It may cause dizziness and sleepiness. Do not drive or do anything that requires mental focus until you know how it affects you. Avoid consuming alcohol when taking 0 P tablet, as it may cause excessive drowsiness and increase the risk of liver damage. Do not take it with any other medicine containing acetaminophen, drugs for pain, fever or cough and cold, without asking your doctor first. How to use ZERODOLP tablet. Take this medicine in the dose and duration as advised by your doctor. Swallow it as a whole. Do not chew, crush or break it. 0 P tablet may be taken with or without food, but it is better to take it at a fixed time. How ZERODOLP tablet works. 0 P tablet is a combination of two medicines, aceclofenac and paracetamol. These medicines work by blocking the action of chemical messenger responsible for pain, fever and inflammation, redness and swelling.